How to start onion business in Nigeria. A profitable agric business you can begin today. How to start onion business in Nigeria. Profitable agric business you can begin today. Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever thought that something as simple as onions can make you a millionaire in Nigeria? Yes, you heard me that right. We are not talking about oil, not about cryptocurrency, not even about importing used cars. We are talking about something you probably used in your stew this morning. Onions. Yes, onions. In today's video, I'm going to show you how the onion business in Nigeria can become your ticket to financial freedom. We will explore 1. Why entrepreneurship is the key to survival and success today. 2. Why onions are more powerful than you think. 3. Step by step on how to start this business. And 4 important things you must know to succeed in onion business. I mean, where to buy your onion in Nigeria, how to store your onion properly in Nigeria, when to sell your onion, and of course, how you can earn up to 500% return in your investment. Yes, I mean it. How you can earn up to 500% return in your investment. So, if you are looking for a practical business that doesn't need millions to start, but can bring millions in return, you are in the right place. Let's dive in. Before I begin, I will appreciate it if you like this video. You can help me continue to spread this important lesson. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below so that I can be motivated to make another video for you next tomorrow. In this video, we are going to share things that will help you become a millionaire. Now, let's get started. Why entrepreneurship is good today. Let's face the truth. Jobs are no longer enough. In Nigeria today, thousands graduate from universities every year. But how many of them get jobs? And even those who get jobs, what do they earn? 30,000 per month? 50,000 per month? Maybe 80,000 per month. Let's be honest, that is not enough to survive, let alone grow. And that is why entrepreneurship is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Entrepreneurship is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. Entrepreneurship gives you the freedom to, number 1, to choose your path, to set your income goals, and of course, to work for yourself, and also to build wealth, not just survive. Another thing, jobs are not secure anymore. One small economic crisis and companies start downsing. But when you build your own business, you have control over it. Now, let's talk about inflation. Prices of food, fuel, rent, they have all gone up, but salaries have not moved. Now, let's talk about inflation. Prices of food, fuel, rent, they have all gone up, but salaries haven't moved at all. So, if you keep relying on job, you are failing behind every month. But entrepreneurships allow you to grow your income and beat inflation. More importantly, when you start a business, you are solving a real problem for humanity. And guess what? One of the problems Nigerians face every day is the need for food. This is where onions comes in. Why onion business is good in Nigeria? We should ask ourselves this big question. Why onion business is good in Nigeria? Let me tell you something that will shock you. Onions are eaten in almost every home in Nigeria. Every single day. Whether it is jollof rice, stew, soup, or pepper soup, onions are involved. Now, here is what makes onion even more powerful. High daily demand. From homes to restaurants to food vendors, everybody needs onions. That means you already have a market waiting for you. Cross-regional consumption. Onions are used in North, South, East, and West. No matter your tribe or religion, you need onions in your food. Seasonal supply plus daily demand is equal to profit opportunity. Here is the secret. During the harvest season, onions are cheap. But after a few months, when supply drops, price of onion shoot up like crazy. If you are smart, you buy when prices are low and sell when prices go high. That is serious profit right there. Easy to start business. Unlike other businesses, onion trading doesn't need too much technical skill. With the right information, you can start small and grow fast. You can begin with 100,000, even less, and build up from there. Long shelf life if stored properly. If you store onions the right way, they can last up to 5 to 6 months. That gives you the power to control when you sell, and that is when the money comes in. How to start onion business in Nigeria. Now, let's go practical. Here is how to start onion business, even if you are a complete beginner. Number 1, learn the market. Don't just jump in because onions are profitable. First, visit local markets. Talk to sellers, transporters, and wholesalers. Ask questions. Watch how the prices move throughout the year. Number 2, find reliable supply. If you want big profits, but from the source, not your city market. Some of the best onion producing city in Nigeria are Kano, and that is Dawanau Market, Sokoto, Kaduna, Zaria, and Niger State. We will go deeper into this later. Number 3, choose your business model. You can choose between 1, wholesale, and that is buy large quantities and sell to retailers. 2, retail. That means buy and sell directly in small units. 3, storage trading. Buy in bulk, store, and wait for price to rise. Many people prefer the third option, and that is storage trading. To buy in bulk, store, and wait for price to rise, because that is where the big money is. Number 4, start small but think big. You can begin with 100,000 to 300,000. That is 10 to 30 bags. 500,000. That is 40 to 60 bags. As you grow, reinvest your profit and increase your volume. Number 5, get good storage. Don't store onions in your house. You need a warehouse with good ventilation. We will also talk about this later. Number 6, packaging and transport. Use basket or mesh sack, not plastic. Hire trusted drivers to move your goods. Avoid crossing or brushing the onions. Damaged ones spoil quickly. Number 7, sell with strategy. Don't be in a hurry to sell your onion. Store your onions and wait for peak season to sell at high prices. Number 8, reinvest and scale. Use your first profit to buy more, rent better storage, or move into multiple cities. That is how wealth grows. If you are still watching this video and finding this insight valuable, please type yes in the comment section and let me know you are here. If you have not subscribed yet, I recommend you click the subscription button below and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of my video next tomorrow. Your support by promoting this video, subscribe, like, and share helps me motivated and continue creating more real-life business stories and motivation like this. Now, let's move forward. 4 things to consider before starting. Number 1, where to buy onions. Best cities in Nigeria. To get the best price, buy from where onions are grown. Kano, Sokoto, Kaduna, Zaria, and Niger State. Avoid buying from Lagos, Ibadan, and Port Harcourt markets. Those are resale points, not source markets. Number 2, how to store onions. The ventilation secret. Storage is the secret weapon in the onion business. If your storage is wrong, your onion will rot and you will lose your investment. Here is what you need. Well-ventilated warehouse. Air must flow in and out easily. Avoid close and hot room. Use mesh bags or baskets. This allows air to circulate. Never store in plastic bags. Elevate from the ground. That is, use wooden pallets or platform. This stops moisture from the floor. Then, cool, dry place. Heat and moisture cause rot. North has better weather than coastal areas. No water, no light. Water invites rot. Heat from light increase spoilage. With the right storage, you can hold onions for 4 to 6 months. Number 3, best month to sell onions in Nigeria. Timing is everything in this business. Buy between April to June, and that is harvest season. Onions are cheapest, plenty in the market. But between September to December, supply drops, prices increase. You can sell for 3 times to 5 times the buying price. Some even wait until January when onions become gold in the market. And here is the strategy. Buy low, Store smart and sell high. Number 4, how much can you gain? 500% profit for example. Let's do this math. Buy one bag in April, 50,000. Store and sell in December, 200,000. Profit per bag, 150,000. Now, let's say you buy like 10 bags. Total investment, 500,000. Total sales, 2 million. Net gain, 1.5 million. Just like that. Even after removing storage and transport costs, you are still making crazy profits. And that is over 500% returns in just 6 to 8 months. Now, tell me, which other business gives you that kind of return? Conclusion, let's wrap it up. Entrepreneurship is no longer just for the brave. It is for the smart people. The economic is tough, but the opportunities are there. And one of the best opportunities right now is onion business in Nigeria. We've talked about why this business works. Number 1, daily demand of onion, low start-up cost. Number 3, seasonal price swings. Number 4, long shelf life. Number 5, huge profit potential. We also show you where to buy your onions, how to sell them, when to sell your onion, and how you can gain up to 500% return. Now, it is your turn. Start where you are. Start with what you have. Learn, grow, and take action. The problem of thousands of people is to have the idea or knowledge on the subject, but fail to take action. Once again, learn, grow, and take action right away. Don't sit back and watching others succeed while you stay broke. This is your moment, and this is your move. If you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your friend, subscribe for more practical business tips. Comment below if you are ready to start the onion business, or if you have already started. Together we grow, together we win. Here is an important question for you. Who is the government? You are the government of yourself. Govern your life and take good care of yourself. Bye for now.